Yeah. Hello everybody. Look what I got. The postman came along. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is the light kit I ordered from Aliexpress for you guys. The light kit for my Bronco. So that's that box. Oh, my FlySky FGR8B. It's for my Noble. I ordered this one also for my Bronco. So I have 8 channels. Let's see what's in there. It's a nice box. It's a tiny transmitter. It's not so, despite the 8 channels, it's quite small. You don't need a bind plug. Here it says bind, so you have to push that. It's waterproof. It can have to 3.5 to 9 volts. 9 volts. Something else than the Traxxas things. See what's in the box. Oh, we have stickers. Great. Cool. And some, I think this is the, yes, this is the plug to, so you have, if you have an external battery for lights or so like that, you can, or these maybe, you can plug it in here and then you can read on your Noble what how the battery is. Let me see what this is. I'll put all the links in the description. So this comes from Ali too. So you can. It was pretty fast. I think I ordered it about a week ago. So pretty fast. So great manual, great explanation in colors and everything. So this is Chinese stuff, so we don't need that. Looks very good. So let's see what's all in the box. This is for the cable management. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put it all open. It's very well packaged. Yeah. So this is the control box. Those 2 lights have to go in here, I guess, because they're still open. I don't know where they are. Oh, they're for the blinkers maybe. Yeah, for the front blinkers on the side. Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to build that in there. Yeah, let's get the Bronco. Here it is. It's still dirty. I haven't washed it yet, so that's what we're going to do first. Clean the body, because we have to open it all to put everything in there. When it's dirty, it doesn't stick very well.
A little later.
Oh, we're back. I cleaned the body. It's now as clean as possible. It's not going to be that easy, I think, because I have another receiver now. But we'll see how it goes. So we're going to install this, and then we'll see how the rest will work out.
5 minutes later.
And these things look good. So let's open her up. I like it a lot. You see, there they're protected with some kind of layer on there, so I think they are waterproof. Waterproof, a big word, waterproof, but they can withstand water. So because these things aren't sealed, I have some scratches on my light. So you have to push the light out like this. Let's see how it looks inside. There are even little tabs in there, so it's good mounted on the. Yeah, this kit is great. It's amazing. Fits very well. Until now, everything is super duper good. Do it like this. You stick it out like that, then you turn it, then you push it in. You can, when you do this, you can toggle the menu for the lights.
Later that same evening.
Welcome to the spaghetti of wires to get these lights going on my Bronco. Like I said, I ordered them from Aliexpress. They were about $40, and this is FlySky, a lot of spaghetti. You have this thing. This thing controls your lights, and this goes to here, to your light bucket over here. I bought this also on Aliexpress. I don't know the price what I paid. I got two of them. I think this was about 40 euros or something. 50 kilo at 8.4 volts. I'm going to exchange these. I already ordered them, and the other ones they can run at 7.4 volt. This gets 7.4, that gets 7.4, so we're all a happy camper, because this is this can run a 9 volt. See, so we are safe then. But in the meanwhile, we have to put this in there and get it all working, of course.
Soon after.
Let's see if I turn it. It turns. It runs forward, backward, diff, second speed. So now we're gonna take the body and put it on there. Let's turn. Yeah. Four blinkers. This is how it all is wired. So what are we going to do? Put it all on there, and then we're going to drive it a little bit. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it.